Hey everyone, Fatty from Pack-a-Punch Traders here. Just gonna go over the morning real quick. I took a small loss today on IMTE. Should have never even took the trade. It was a premature buy. I was looking for the multi-day bounce here. This thing seems to be slowing down here, IMTE, after a huge run. This is looking like a pump chart to me. But after today showing some signs of bottoming compared to the past few days, I thought we were gonna get a move. It started moving a little higher compared to the past few days. And in the morning, like a fool, took quick. It was only 100 shares, but I got 100 shares at 864 as it was bumping up here. And a little move, but ultimately failed. Here we are failing to break down around 7. It's trying to hold up and curl back. We'll see what this does. Maybe a play later on for a high day break, or maybe a play tomorrow. Looking for the same setup, that morning high. Ideally, this would have consolidated and come back for a high day break. But that's the pattern we're looking for. The high from the morning break, or the high from the morning, we're looking for that break. But that was unfortunate. It didn't happen here. We got HOTH, crazy mover pre-market on some cancer news. Just could not keep going. Ended up failing here. Shorts took over. Resistance up above. It was up way too much for my liking. If this was last year, 2 years ago, this probably would have held up and taken off and went for 300% on the day, but not now. So when I see stuff up that big, I kind of stay away, or I'll try to be more patient and let it develop and consolidate more to suck in shorts. But yeah, just dead there. VERU play of the day, and it was one of my top watches. I just missed it because of the float. The float was huge in my eyes, but as we can see today, the volume is just unreal. I made a video lesson, I'm pretty sure just not too long ago. I think it was last week, going over volume and the requirements, how I like the float to be low and, have a lot of demand come in. You want the float to be rotated. I saw this thing getting rotated. I was just nervous getting into this choppiness here early on. I wasn't too impressed with it. And then it starts taking off a bit, getting more vertical, start acting more like a penny stock. But then, yeah, it would just keep failing to break down. Shorts would just get smoked each time. And then it got vertical here and it's dying off now. We'll just be waiting for this for a multi-day bounce play when it's set to red day. But just butchered the best play of the day. Not really much to say. I was sticking to my rules, my strategy, how I just really like low floats. But I also do mention many times how if the demand is there, it's going to be treated like a low float essentially. And we see that here. So could have adapted, but I was sticking to my guns with my rules and don't totally regret it. It's okay. Gonna be plenty of plays coming around the corner. But yeah, IVDA, yes, nice. This is a beautiful play. Looking for this high day break. So I might cut this video short. This is holding up nicely, low float, failing to break down. I think we can get to the mid fours, possibly 5. Try to fill the gap. But, it's got some resistance up in the high 3s here and 380s. We'll see how it acts there. But, after some consolidation, this fails to break down. Looking like this thing wants to break the high day now. Here we go, 598, 359. I'm going to wait for a pullback, see if this fails to break down, and then take it later when shorts get trapped in for another short squeeze. But yeah, right out of Twitter. I'll go over that real quick. Okay, here. So yeah, I already tweeted about this a little bit before the video started. Looking at it in the morning. It's been on watch, so now that it's coming back, I'll be really digging this if it fails to really break down here. But it looks like this thing wants to take off. Let's see what happens. But yeah, so kind of a sloppy morning for me. Small loss. What are you going to do about it? But yeah, still early. Still got power hour. So got some plays on watch. And yeah, I'm going to wrap this up and keep an eye on IVDA. So follow us on Twitter at Pack-a-Punch Traders and like and subscribe to this video for more content like this.